Okay, do you think it's possible to make up to $5,000 a month through email marketing? Well, of course it is. And in this video, I intend to show you just how to do that in the year 2021. Now, if you're just a beginner, it's really a suitable model for you, as the only skill you might need to learn is copywriting. Now, without wasting your time, this is what I intend to teach you. First, I will be teaching you how to grow your email list from nothing to at least 1,000 subscribers within the span of just weeks. Second, I will also show you how you can get them into your email list and start making some great money off of them. And third, you'll also be learning how to send emails to people, without making it feel like, salesy or like a spam email, ensuring that people are actually opening your emails and choosing to buy the products that you have to offer. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And for all you new guys, my name is Donnell R. Jones. And on this channel, I'm passionate about teaching people how to build a profitable online business with the top strategies and tips in email marketing. Now, if you decide to stick around to the end of the video, I will teach you the very same strategy that I use when I'm emailing people weekly and how I'm able to make money off this amazing process. And to be honest, it's not exactly a very difficult process, but you will have to have, a little patience with making money, because this pretty much isn't a get-rich-quick scheme or expect it to just happen overnight. You will need to put in a bit of work to get it done, and if you're motivated, it will definitely happen for you. Now, with that being said, let's get right to it. Okay, so let's start off by getting the basics. What is really an email list, and how exactly do you build one? Well, an email list is simply a group of people who you now have their email addresses after exchanging it for something, that they considered valuable from you. Now, if you desire that a person join your email list, then you must be ready to offer up something that they would pretty much consider valuable in order for them to sign up and give you their email address. Now, getting them on your email list is one step. But take note that you can't then decide to bombard them with sales daily. You will have to gain their trust, and the one way to get this done is to offer them even more value. Now, if you don't work to build trust among the members of your email list, you might end up with people that deliberately avoid your messages. And with trust in place, offering paid products won't be much of a problem, as they already trust you and wouldn't mind paying to pretty much get more value from you. Now, it's a very simple process. Offer value and you will get their email address. And once you've gotten their email address, you can then begin to send extra emails, offers, and then paid products. Now, this is actually a great model because you don't have to pressure people to pay right away. After they've enjoyed the free value, for those that's interested, they move up to the paid value from you. And what's beautiful about this is it's unlike social media. This wouldn't die out. Email marketing has been around business since the beginning of the internet, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Now, if you want to set up an email list, the very first thing you will need is a lead magnet. Now, what a lead magnet represents is simply something valuable you would be offering for free in exchange for their email address. For example, let's say offering a PDF file on 3 ways to make money online. That's actually a lead magnet that I would likely adopt for myself. It would be most valuable to people who fall under my target audience, and they would pretty much sign up because they probably are interested in starting an online business. And would most people definitely want to make some money through it. Oh yeah, if you find this video valuable, smash that like button because it helps with the algorithm. Okay, so now that you've gotten your lead magnet squared away, the next thing you would be needing is a landing page. Now, this is where people can sign up to your email list. It's also called an opt-in page, and it's a very simple page where they would get to type their name and their email address, and then they would get sent your lead magnet automatically. And after that, the next thing you would need is email marketing software. Now, here are a couple of options that exist for the platform to use in getting your email list set up. I have a few I would like to recommend to you, but my top recommendation is, of course, Aweber. It's an all-in-one place software for you to build your website, and it will also provide a means for you to effectively set up your email list. And it provides you with options to get your opt-in page set up together with whatever lead magnet you would be making use of. Now, if you want to, you can create products and courses through Aweber, pretty much without having to maintain multiple subscriptions. Now, if you're the person that desires to have a website, build your list, and also sell products, then Aweber might just be your best option. But sure, it might be a little more expensive than other software platforms, but it comes with a complete package of everything you would need to build an email list, and it makes it profitable for you as well. And some other options you can go for, you could include ConvertKit or MailChimp. They're much cheaper than Aweber, but wouldn't have as much properties that comes with Aweber. You know, it's okay if that's what you want to get, but my personal recommendation for you would be Aweber if you really want to sell products to your email list. Okay, so now that you've got your website, your opt-in page ready, and your email marketing software, the next thing you would have to go figure out is how to get people on your email list. Now, this can only happen when you create content. How? Through YouTube and blogs, Facebook, or even tweeting stuff out. Whichever way you do, you simply just give out loads of free value and you offer this up front. And afterwards, you can proceed to offer them something more. For example, all you have to say is something like, let's say there is an extra for you. All that is needed is for you to simply fill in your name and your email address, and you would get this extra bonus for free. Trust me, when they sign up, you can give them some more of your free value in the form of like tips, you can say secrets, hacks, tricks, etc. And then afterwards, you begin to chip in a bit with your paid products and promotions little by little. It's just that. Offer free stuff, get them to sign to your email list, offer them some more free stuff, and then offer them your paid products. And for your content, some of the best places to create beautiful content includes the places like I mentioned earlier on, and you can include Instagram as well. But personally, I would recommend going for like YouTube or even a blog. They rank as the best ways that you can be found for people searching for your kind of content. Now, you basically would need to find the answers to the problems people have within your niche and create content around answering those questions. And when someone searches for that topic, they get to see the content that you've created, either your blog or your YouTube video, and they would digest your content. And at the end, you will have to chip in urging them to sign up to your email list so they can even get more content from you. Now, I'm going to go over this process again. Okay, let's say you set up your YouTube channel, and then you begin to create content centered around your niche or whatever you enjoy doing. Next, you have to set up your email list for people to get on to start receiving emails from you. And when they come on, you can provide free value, then you can begin sending them your paid products. Now, earlier on, I told you that I was going to give you out the very strategy that I use in 2021. And I didn't forget. I intend to send 3 emails to my list this week. They would be on value, and then the final seal. You see, value refers to how you would give tons of value on the first 2 occasions. Say on Monday, you send an email on how to fix something critical in your business. On Wednesday, I would be sending the same thing again, but this time I would do it under an entirely different topic. And finally, on Friday, that's the day of the seal, I would send them an offer of a paid product or paid coaching based on the topics of the first 2 emails. Now, it's possible to attach your offer to your email, but you must be careful not to make the email all about the sale or product. It shouldn't sound like a sales pitch, as people definitely do not want to read a pitch. What they want is entertainment and information over a boring, long sales pitch. I would really love to go into some more details on this, but we really don't have that much time in this video. So this is what I'm going to do for you. I want you to click the link in the description and sign up for the free masterclass. Now, I don't want to give too much away, but in this exclusive masterclass, you will learn how to build a massive email list with a strategy, software, and platform created by one of the top internet earners. And now he's going to share his secrets with you. Just click the link in the description and quickly sign up. Now, if you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comments section and I will answer them very quickly. All right, well, guys, I appreciate you checking out this video. Smash that like button if you got value out of this video. Subscribe to my channel so you'll stay in the loop when I drop a new video, because I got plenty of content coming your way. Have a safe day. My name is Donnell R. Jones, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Don't forget, smash that like and subscribe button and sign up for that free masterclass, guys. I mean, nobody's giving out web classes on how to build an email list. It's free, so take advantage of the opportunity. Just click the link in the description and sign up. All right, I'll see you on the next one. I love you guys. Peace out.